Yeah.
Just stay. Say, I've got the files.
I've got the files.
What did they say?
You failed.
We failed?
No, you did.
I failed?
Yes, you did.
Does that mean I'm gonna...
Yes.
Harish?
Yeah. Yes.
How long do I have?
About 3 minutes.
This picture.
You know what I've always wanted to do in my life?
What?
I've always been a serious woman. And I really wanted to sing a song. 1, 2, 3, go! Peanut butter jelly time! Peanut butter jelly time! Now baby, yeah! Peanut butter jelly time! Peanut butter jelly time! And I've always wanted to meet Michael Jackson, but he's dead.